In this video, let's learn text formatting in MS Word. Let's begin. In the Home tab, there are formatting options. First option is fonts. Here all different fonts are available. For example, Algerian, Arial, Arial Black and such others. You can choose any one of your choice. Select your text and choose font. In this way, you can apply font. Now let's move on to the font size. From here, you can apply. There is another way to apply font size. Using this, you can increase the size of the font, and with the help of this option, you can decrease font size. Next is to apply bold effect to the text. Select your text and click on B option, that is bold option. Similar way, click on italic I option to apply italic effect. You can also underline your text. For underline, there are different options available. Normal underline, double underline, thick underline, dotted underline and others. You can choose any one from this. Now let's learn about font color. This option is used to apply font color. Pick color. In this way you can change text color. Click on the color. You will find more colors option. You can choose any one color from here and click on OK option. In this way you can set color. Next to the font color is text highlight color. You can highlight your text. Choose any one of the color to highlight your text. You can choose no color option to remove the highlight color. In this way, you can apply text formatting in MS Word. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to my channel Infinite Learnopedia. Thank you.